Hello gems and welcome in. I have heard your calls in my last video I posted called 4 ways you can make passive income as a VTuber. And some of you were saying, Saya, I love that I can make passive income, but no one's watching my videos. How do I make income if no one's watching? Today, I'm gonna be your celestial wolf girl superhero and save the day by giving you 5 ways you can get views on your YouTube channel as a VTuber. Stick around so you can use all 5 strategies to grow your channel. Let's get started. Number 1, learn about SEO and use it. Search engine optimization is an incredibly powerful tool. For those who have never heard of SEO, search engine optimization means optimizing your video to reach its highest potential for getting viewed. SEO has 100% been the top tool that I use for every video idea, which has led me to about 3,000 subscribers in about 7 months and a top ranking video at 40,000 views. One of my favorite influencers named 𝐶𝐿 Canal created a whole presentation on the power of SEO plus a niche, and he has used this strategy and proven it effective over and over again. You might be wondering, how do I use SEO in my videos, Saya? Well, the first step to learning about what videos you should make and how to use SEO is by downloading a program I like to use called Keywords Everywhere. I'll leave a link down below. Next, I'm going to show you an example of how Keywords Everywhere works. Once you download Keywords Everywhere, you'll have this beautiful little set of trending chart over here and related keywords. I like to do, depending on what your niche is, for example, mine is VTubers, so how to VTuber. Let's just put that in. All right, so people also search for VTuber software, 𝐒𝐿𝐴, how to VTuber on Twitch, how to make VTuber model, VTuber app, 𝐒𝐿𝐴 VTuber. These are all video ideas that can be made in and of themselves. Here are long tail keywords, how to VTuber on Twitch, how to VTuber avatar, how to make a VTuber avatar, how to make VTuber model. So you have all these options here. So using a tool like Keywords Everywhere can help get you started on a bunch of different video ideas and see what people are searching. Google and YouTube are the top 2 search engines in the world, which means if you can find ways to answer the questions people are asking and do it well, these people will want to continue watching you and your channel. Number 2, title your videos correctly. When coming up with a video idea, it's important to know, while it can be done in the beginning, it is incredibly difficult to make videos like Syafire Plays Minecraft Episode 1. No one is searching for Syafire playing Minecraft because if no one knows who I am, why would they search that? Have you ever searched someone who's unknown playing Minecraft? No, because you don't know them, nor do you care about them playing Minecraft. Oh my god! What do you mean? What do you mean? They teleported now? On the worst place to teleport? Oh my god! What am I supposed to do? They're all gonna die! What am I supposed to do? What am No! By combining our first technique of SEO and then titling your videos according to what people's most common and most popular search terms are, your videos will be as powerful as the combo of pineapple pizza. Wait, not everyone likes pineapple pizza. Whoops, wrong reference. The best way to know how to title your videos is, for one, you could look at my videos or other popular VTubers or YouTubers videos that have the most successful titles and draw conclusions as to why that title worked. You want to name your video something that someone would most likely be searching. I like to put myself in my audience's shoes and think, if I were a VTuber trying to find out how to be a VTuber, what kinds of words and what kinds of things would I Google or YouTube? Voila! There is the title name. Number 3, thumbnails. Thumbnails are super important. They're essentially the first impressions of you and your video. I use Photoshop to make my thumbnails. There are plenty of free programs out there for download where you can make thumbnails. Making a proper thumbnail has a lot of lessons in and of itself, but my best advice for starting off is to go to a niche market and see which videos are doing the best. Look for commonalities in their YouTube video thumbnails. What do you notice that is working and what is not? So if you want to make videos about making stuff in VRoid Studio, go look at the other thumbnails that seem to be successful clicks. A lot of ways you can grow on YouTube, and any platform can honestly be narrowed down to how observant you are. Observe the world around you and take notes on things that are great and things that suck. Stash away the good stuff for later and throw all the other stuff in the trash. Like pineapple pizza. Stash that good stuff away. Number 4, share your videos on social media. After you make a video, you can post it on your other forms of media. Remember to be helpful when posting your video. The best way to do this is to tell people the value they'll get from the video. Here's the difference between sharing your video in a good way versus a not so good way. Trust me. You guys don't want to be the person that's like,
Hey guys, I just posted my new video. Please like and subscribe.
and just leave it there. That just makes people feel awkward and they don't really care about watching your video then. So let me show you a better example of the correct way to do that. A much better way to do it is, hey gems, I know when starting a VTuber, it can be really intimidating and hard to choose a program to use. In this video, I'll discuss the pros and cons of VSeeFace 13 V-Up to help you decide which one will be a best fit for your specific situation. See the difference between how warm and friendly this is versus someone screaming at the top of their lungs? And number 5, consistency. I know you are sick of hearing this from me and probably every other YouTuber or VTuber ever, but seriously, if you want to do this, you have to be consistent. 𝐂𝐻𝐿, the lovely dude I talked about earlier, showed a chart in one of his videos.
Let me know if you've posted 100. Have you posted 400 yet?
Sean literally talks about how TubeBuddy did this study where you need an average of 152 videos to hit 1,000 to 10K subscribers and so forth. He literally quotes, "The secret of YouTube is legit posting on YouTube."
You know, the secret to success on YouTube is uploading videos to YouTube, right? I mean,
a lot of your videos probably won't do that well when you first start YouTube. You might look at my channel and see that I've been doing well for a while. And same thing for other people. Some people pop off with hundreds and thousands of views straight away. Those are exceptions. Personally, for my channel, you haven't seen the other 50 videos that I have made and eventually have hid out of embarrassment or whatever other weird psychological shenanigans takes over my brain, controlling my life. So please, just start posting. You got this. Plus, if you need support, we have a lovely Discord community filled with artists and VTubers that love supporting each other in all that we do. You can find that link down below. If you're interested in more tips like these, consider checking out my 5 VTuber tips and tricks video. I'll post that card above. I also just started an emailing list with free resources. There is a free guide I made for you called the VTuber Improvement Guide. They are available as downloadable PDFs as soon as you click and join the mailing list link, which I will leave down below. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you next time. Peace out, gems!